Hello, hi everyone. So today we will look how you can install the Microsoft Excel and the different Office suite for the 30 days free trial. And after the for 30 days or 45 days, you have to purchase a particular license. Okay. So for the first 30 days free trials, how you can install the new Microsoft Office, I'm going to tell you. So just let me confirm with my screen visible. Now, what you can do, so we're going to install our Excel file. Okay. So you have to go to the particular call as in Google, and at Google you have to type call as an Office deployment tool. Okay, there you have to type Office deployment tool. Office deployment tool. Okay, like this you have to type Office deployment tool. Okay, download Office deployment tool, and you have to download the particular tool. Now just go to first site, and at first site, can you see this download option? Can you see this one? Yeah, now you have to click on this download. Okay, the moment you're going to click on means save it on any location. Let me see, let me create a different drive. So on drive, I'll going to select any particular location. It depends upon you. Suppose I'm creating a new folder and giving this folder name as an MS Office. Okay, MS Office, and save that particular application file here. Now what you can do, go to that particular where you have created that particular file, you have saved that file, MS Office. Okay, now right click on this, double click on this particular file. It will going to show you the yes. Okay, do yes, and click here to accept and continue. Okay, the moment you're going to continue, in that particular folder only, you have to expand and you have to search. Okay, just like in E Drive, I've created in .NET and in MS Office, and click OK. Now files has been extracted successfully. Can you see this? This files has been get extracted. Now what you have to do? You have to just now do one thing. Take it out this Office deployment tool on outside the folder. Okay, on outside the folder, and delete first two files. This one, delete first two files. Okay, and delete this one also, this one too, delete this one too. Now keep these two files, that is configuration office 2021 enterprise.xml and the setup. Now here what you have to do, just this particular, take a point cursor here and do shift control plus shift plus right click. Okay, the moment you do the control plus shift plus right click, you're going to see this here. One is open in terminal, one is open in PowerShell window here. You have to open PowerShell window here. Okay, click on PowerShell window here. If you didn't get it, again I'm telling, just keep your cursor here and do control plus shift plus right click. Okay, and open the PowerShell window here. Now after opening the PowerShell window, what you have to do, I'm going to share you this particular guide to you. Okay, so from here you have to copy this particular code. Can you see this particular code? You have to copy this. Okay, and definitely I'm going to provide this code in the YouTube link also. So just copy this as it is. Okay, copy this code perfectly. Okay, can you see? And go to that terminal and do the right click and paste it. Okay, and do the enter. The moment you click on enter, you can see this type of pop-up window. Okay, you're going to see one pop-up, just click on yes on that. Okay, and now tada, you can see my particular Microsoft Office has been get downloaded, right? Can you see this one? Microsoft. So we are getting the things on ready. Now it will going to install the whole Microsoft suite. Okay, the full Microsoft suite, whatever is available. Okay, in this way you can install the whole Microsoft suite. Now just give me a minute. You can see it will automatically going to start the whole Microsoft suite. In that there will be an Excel, there will be a PowerPoint, there will be a new PowerPoint, and it will be a latest version, that is the version 2021. Okay, that particular version we're going to install. Okay, just you can wait for around 1 to 2 minutes, depending upon the configuration of your machine. It will going to install the things. Okay, and just don't close this, just minimize this, all the things. Can you see we are getting the Windows order? Now you can see. Now stay online while Office downloads. We will be done in just a moment. So it will going to download the necessary details. Now next, what you can download, you can download this particular one more application, which is called as Power BI. Okay, so in order to download the Power BI, what you can do, you can simply just open your Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay, in order to download the Power BI, simply just you install the applications in your system. How you does? So in that way only you have to install this Power BI from the Microsoft Store. Okay. So it will open the particular Microsoft Store. Just for a moment, it will take time. Okay. So when your Microsoft Store will get open, you can directly download the Power BI, or else you can go to take a new browser and you can type download, okay, Power BI. So you'll be redirected to a new link called as in Power BI. Let me open this. It's taking so much time. See, now just click on this first link, download Microsoft Power BI. Okay, click on this first link. After clicking on the first link, see, you can see this here, right? So there are three options here. One is get it from Microsoft Store, get it from Apple Store, get it Google Play. You can create it on Microsoft Store. Okay, the moment you click get it on Microsoft Store, it will going to open here this particular Microsoft Store for you. So what you can do after that, or else what you can do, you can directly means create or Power BI desktop from here download option. Can you see Microsoft Power BI desktop download here? This thing. Can you see? You have to click on this. Okay, do click on this, or you can click on new tab and click on this. Okay, the moment you click on this, you're going to redirect it to the new page, and from here get in store app you have to click. Okay, and you can download the Power BI. So in my system there is an already this particular application, so I'm not going to download this. Next, you can download the SQL Server also. Okay, just you have to download this particular, you have to type download SQL Server. Okay, and can you see, you have to click on the first link, the SQL Server downloads. Go to first link. After going to the first link, you have to scroll down. Right, I guess my internet is a little bit slow. Yeah, now scroll down. The moment you're going to scroll down, you can see, let me, actually when you are downloading this particular application, this one, you're not able to do any kind of work. Okay, any kind of work is not allowed. Can you see now? Just go to down, and you can see express version. You have to click on download now. Okay, the moment you're going to click on download now, okay, it will going to download this particular one. Little bit of 4 MB type of application is there. You're going to start to install this application. After downloading this application, you have to simply open that, and by doing next, you have to download the things. Okay, now can you see? Now suppose I am storing this in downloads folder and save it. Okay, now after saving this particular file, go to downloads. Can you see this one, download? You can open this by doing the double click. Okay, open this. After opening, it will going to give the pop-up. Just click on that yes pop-up. Okay, and then after opening that application, it will take a time depending upon the configuration, and it's a very, and do one thing, don't just download this all the necessary software tools one after another, otherwise it will going to a little bit hang your system. Can you see my system is getting hang a little bit after I'm downloading all the necessary software one after another. Okay, don't do simultaneously. Now you have to select the basic part. Okay, the moment you select the basic part, accept the agreement, and you can click on install. So it will going to install all the necessary features. I'm not going to install it because in my system there is already SQL Server edition. So you have to click on install. Okay, the moment you will install it. Okay, after that, what you have to go? You have to go on just on. You can type download SSMS. Type download SSMS and click download SSMS, and then you can say SQL Server Management Studio. Now just little bit scroll down. Can you see this one? Free download for SQL Server Management Studio. Just click on this, and it will going to install this necessary setup. Okay, now save on this. It says 621 MB. Okay, after downloading, you can open this, and directly you can doing the after you can install the things. Okay, the moment you're going to install the things, so on your Windows search bar, after installing everything, on your Windows search bar, you have to type SSMS. Can you see SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio? So you have to open this SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, I will tell you how you can connect your particular server with your databases or your studio. So after opening the SSMS, and after downloading the SQL Server also, so you're going to connect your studio with your server. Okay, so it will take time. Server studio will take time. It's a very heavy applications. In order to install in your system, it will take time. Okay, depending upon your internet connection speed. And after this connecting, I'll tell you how you can open now. Maybe we're about to done. We're just in a moment about to done this software also, Microsoft software. Let's minimize the tab. And let's wait for a minute. Let's do the refreshes and all that part. Okay, so we're going to refresh your system. We will be doing this all the time. So we will wait for around 1 to 2 minutes in order to open the application of the SQL Server, because simultaneously my Microsoft Office is also getting downloaded. Okay, so you can see these are some set of things you're going to get for the free for the first month, and definitely you're going to use it for the free, like Word. Then we have a Excel. Then we have a PowerPoint. Then we have a Outlook. Then we have a OneNote. Then Project. Then we have a Visio. Then Access. Then Publisher, and then Microsoft Team last. It's taking so much time. Now see. Now after opening the SSMS, you can see this type of interfaces. Now when you have installed the first of all SQL Server and after the SSMS, you can see this type of pop-up. What you can do, if you're getting this type of pop-up and your server name by default, just you have to do the connect. Okay, so the moment you're going to connect, see your database is get connected with the server. Can you see? This Hitesh is my name, so Hitesh is my database name, and the server name will be your laptop or the PC name. Okay. Now, what happens? Sometimes you're not going to find your server name. Okay, you're going to find this blank. So you can click on this drop down. Okay, go to browse for more and open this database engine. Expand this database engine. So here you're going to find your database engine and click on OK and connect it. Okay. Now see. Now, after getting this any kind of an error, okay, what you can do, just click on SQL configuration manager. Can you see SQL configuration manager? Open this SQL configuration manager. You're going to ask for the pop-up. Just click on yes. And after opening the SQL configuration manager, what we can do, I'll tell you what are the things you have to enable and what are the things you have to set up. So after setting all the pipelines and they enable all the TCP and IP port, we're going to again connect the things. Now just you can say SQL servers. Now see, my SQL server is running. This running status has been shown. Now go to this network edit client, this network configuration protocols. Can you see TCP IP is disabled, name pipe is disabled. Now do the right click, do the enable and click OK. Do the right click, do the enable and click OK. So you have enabled the shared memory, name pipes and the TCP IP, right? Now you can click on go to services also on a Windows search bar. Just type services and open that services and you can see that your MySQL server is running or not. When go to SQL Server agent, can you see SQL Server MySQL is running. MySQL Server browser is disabled. SQL Server browser, so you can do the right click and you can go to the properties. On the properties you can set the enable, okay, automatic, and after doing the automatic you can apply and you can start the service and you can click to OK. Okay, you have started your server browser also. Okay, so these two things you have to do after doing the installing the SSMS if your SSMS is not getting connected with your server. Now what you can do, if you wanted to set for the TCP IP port, then you can go to the properties and you can set the TCP IP port. Can you see this IP addresses here? And see my TCP port is 1433. So you can set your TCP port 1433 as a default port, right? Like in this way, and you can go with that. Okay, and you can do the connect and do the connection. See, the connection has been happened. Can you see here? Now you can select a new query if you want new query from here. You click on new query and you can create a databases and you can work with that. Okay, one wide window can you see. Now you can write a query here, create databases. Okay, sorry, database. And name of the database, suppose I am giving as a Hitesh database or Hitesh DB. Okay, and just do the select the statement and execute it. You can see commands executed successfully here. Means that my database has been created. Do the right click and do the refresh option here. Now in databases, can you see Hitesh DB has been there? So you can see Hitesh DB. Can you see? So in this way, you have installed the SQL Server also and your Power BI as well as the Microsoft Suite. Okay. Now after that, if you want to install the Tableau software, okay. Now see, we have installed our Microsoft also. You all are set. Office is installed now. Close it. Okay. Now what happened? Now let's install the particular Tableau software. Okay. We will install the Tableau software. So you can go to the download Tableau. Okay. Now Tableau is a 14 days free trial. That is Tableau desktop. But if you want, you can download the Tableau public also. Download Tableau public. Okay, and Tableau desktop both is available. But don't install both the simultaneously on your system. Either be at a Tableau public or Tableau desktop. I'll again tell you Tableau desktop is a 14 days free trial. After that 14 days, you have to pay for the using the Tableau. But Tableau public is a free and means a little bit features it has, less features than the Tableau desktop. But you can go to the Tableau public and you can go to Tableau public here and you can install the Tableau if you want to do. First, signing of that particular this company's name means on your particular Tableau company and click on OK and you can directly download this. Okay. So these are the for some particular software I have told you how you can download this. Okay, got it, everyone? Now let's see our Excel has been get installed or not, which is the main particular purpose agenda of this. Now you can see if the moment I'll tap EXCEL Excel app. Okay, now open this Excel app. Okay, after opening the Excel app, yeah, now say this Office Microsoft Excel has been getting started. So this is the current and the latest version of the, can I say, accept the license agreement. Okay, license agreement it's asking. Now if you're going to go to cross, it's not going to open. So again, open this accept and you have to accept the license agreement in. Okay, can you see? Now select the blank workbook. Okay, now these are some particular, you can say, a template has been given. Home, welcome to template, drop down. So these are the things has been given to you. Okay, you can select the blank workbook, or you can go to the suppose welcome to create. Okay, so in my case, because I've already installed and I've already used the free version, so in my case it's not going to work. Okay, but in your case you can able to work with the Excel if you want. Okay, so this is a 30 to 45 days free trial of the Excel. Can you see product activation failed ID on my particular system? Okay, I'm not able to type anything if I want because my product activation has been failed. Okay, so for that definitely you have to pay to the software, then only you can able to use the Excel. Can you see? So this is the one of the disadvantage of using the cracked version. But yeah, definitely you're going to get at least the 30 to 45 days free trial. So for today, I've told you all about the software, how you can download the software, necessary software for the data analytics. Okay. And the links of this particular software I'm going to give you in the description. So from the description, you can able to download the necessary things. Okay. Till then, bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care. Good night.